Hey there, everyone. How are you today? I thought I'd hop on a live video and just have a quick chat about belief in manifesting and why it is so important. And the thing is, a lot of us grew up and we weren't taught that we were a powerful manifester, that our whole lives is based on us creating things and us creating from thoughts to the physical 3D reality. And we weren't taught this. We weren't taught our power. We weren't taught to connect into our intuition. We weren't taught to set goals and, we weren't taught ways to bring those goals into our lives, And so, I really wanted to talk about this today because it's so important. And I'm also running a challenge starts next Sunday, and it's going to be all on that. It's going to be helping you to establish, more belief around your creative and manifesting power. Because when you, this is probably the most fundamental thing you could do. And the most fundamental thing you can have. So let me know in the comments if you want to be put on the list for that, and I will add you into the group when it comes up, when I've opened it. And so, having this belief that you are the creator, right, is so important. Because when you establish that belief, you will start to manifest faster and faster and faster because you are developing the belief that you are actually the creator of your life and you are creating everything in it. But without that belief, it's hard to sort of really grasp, manifestation because you don't have that belief. And so I'm actually also a qualified counselor as well. So my work is really about helping you to really change all of that programming from childhood, connect in with your power, and really it's like sort of like, and I've been really connecting with this lately, it's sort of like I'm the parent you never had. Okay, when you work with me, and how I help you is to reestablish that connection with yourself and really start to learn about your own intuition and that you are the creator of everything. Like whatever it is, you're creating it. Now, you can be creating this unconsciously. So in your unconscious, in your subconscious, which is below our level of awareness, we are creating through those subconscious beliefs that were programmed into us from 0 to 7. And so the work is to actually start to look at those beliefs, dismantle those beliefs, and then create new beliefs that are in alignment with what you want to create in your life now. Right? So a lot of the time we are blocked from those beliefs of when we were a child. And really, that's a lot of what's blocking us, okay? You created those beliefs when you didn't have a part of your brain that is the critical faculty developed. So everything was just going in. You were in a theta brainwave state at that time. And everything was just being implanted, right, from 0 to 7. And then you just keep repeating that and repeating that and repeating that, okay? And so, like I was saying, if you don't have the belief in manifestation, like I just believe that it is the most core fundamental thing that you need to develop. Because when you start to really believe that you are creating all of out there in your reality, you will start to have so much more, you will feel so much more power in your life because you'll be like, I'm creating all that. Now, I had a real issue with this. I'm going to be honest. I had a real issue that I was creating all these, when I was creating the good things, yeah, cool. But when I was creating the other things that weren't so good, like physical issues, abusive relationships, all of those things, when I was sort of going, how am I creating it? I wasn't really happy about that, to be honest. But now I know for absolute sure that I was creating that through my subconscious belief systems. And this is what I've been really deeply dismantling. And this is what I help people do, to dismantle those beliefs that aren't in alignment with what you want to create. So that's why I'm doing the little challenge, because, and it's free, by the way, everybody. If you want to join, let me know in the comments, totally free. And basically, I'm going to show you that you're the creator and that you can manifest things very easily, right? And help you to start to build in that belief. And when you start to build in that belief, anything is possible for you. And I mean anything. The only thing that limits us is our own limiting beliefs. And our limiting beliefs are just limiting stories that tell us that we can't have the things that we want. That's all that needs to be removed. It's really quite simple. Manifesting isn't some full-on hard thing to learn to do. It truly isn't. But it doesn't, I'm not saying that the journey is not always easy. It's not always an easy journey, because when we're releasing the old programs from childhood, that can sometimes be not the easiest of journeys. But it's rewarding, and it does get easier, I find, as you decondition those old program beliefs. You start to build a momentum, and then when you've got that belief that you're the creator, on top of that, things just start to really grow and develop for you. It's really powerful. So if you're watching on the replay, let me know, #replay. If you want to get on the list to be notified when I put together the group for the challenge that we're starting next week, that You Are the Creator Challenge, let me know in the comments. I will pop you in there, and it's totally free, like I said. And just know that if you want to really take your manifesting skills and your beliefs to the next level, you need to believe that you are the creator of your reality. And that means everything, absolutely everything. You need to take responsibility that you have created everything in your life. And like I said, you may not have done it consciously, because there's subconscious beliefs sitting in the subconscious, below the level of consciousness, below the level of your conscious mind, okay? But we can pull them out, and we can change them, and that's what I do. I help pull them out of your subconscious mind, release them, and we start to reprogram with the beliefs that we want to have, okay? Alrighty, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Let me know, and I'll talk to you all soon.